Number 11. Now we're just going the opposite direction compared to number 10. We're still going to use STP because the question tells us that we can. 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. Okay? So let's set up our crosshairs, and don't mind me if I just draw them out immediately. 22.4 liters, 22.4 liters, and 22.4 liters is equal to 1 mole of that gas at STP. Only at STP. Liters will cancel, liters will cancel, liters will cancel, liters will cancel. And so when we go to do this type of conversion, notice that the conversion is all the same. Now we're just left with some calculator work. 22.4 divided by 22.4. I hope you guys see that that's a pretty darn easy one. I end up with 1.00 moles. Remember to consider the appropriate number of sig figs. Don't just write 1. And for B, 5.60 divided by 22.4. Well, I need 3 sig figs. So how do I turn that into 3 sig figs? I need to add a 0. 250 moles. Alright, next up, 0.125 times it. No, it's divided by 22.4. And I end up with a pretty darn small number. See, 3 sig figs, that's going to be to that spot. So let's go, I'm going to write this in scientific notation. Go 1, 2, 3. I'm moving it 3 places. And I moved it 3 places because it was too small. And so my exponent needs to reflect the fact that I moved it 3 places because it was small. Moles. Then lastly, this one is just as easy. It just takes one more step because I'm not in liters here. I'm in milliliters, and I know that 1 liter has 1,000 milliliters. Right? That'll convert out of milliliters into liters. Now I can use this same conversion factor. 22.4 liters is equal to 1 mole. That way liters cancel. And back to calculator work. 70.0 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 1,000 divided by 22.4. I end up with, again, a pretty darn small number, and so I'll move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places. So again, sticking with 3 significant figures, this 5 is going to have me round up once. So I will report 3.13 times 10 to the negative 3 moles because I had to move the decimal because it was too small. That coefficient was too small, and so my exponent needs to reflect the fact that it was small. How do I do that? I say a negative exponent.